Good morning, traders. I hope you are having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, before we begin, I have a little announcement to make. We are going to start trading in commodity officially, and we are going to upload videos around 7 to 8 p.m. every trading day. So, if you are free, don't forget to watch them. Well, for today's market, we begin. It's around 9:15, and the market is just going to open, and it has opened a bit negative. We are expecting a bit of, you could say, a negative to sideways market. There is really high chance on Thursday. It's Thursday expiry, and there's going to be a really sideways market because the market has been stuck between two really good support and resistance level. So there is really high probability that market will stay sideways. So we are going to see either for a buying opportunity near a good support or a shorting opportunity near a good resistance. Let's wait and see how the market goes and where the market goes. Well, if you see, yesterday market had a really good momentum, and I'm expecting I'm thinking of just going to sell. So if we get a good selling opportunity, we could sell because the most case the CPR and every other indicator is indicating for a good sell off today in the market. So let's wait and see. Well, it's around time. We are going to get a really good selling opportunity because market is about to get testing the resistance level again. And if we get a really good selling candle, we will going to short it. You could see already the market has formed a really good engulfing candle, and we are going to short it at when as soon as the low of this candle gets taken out. So the second next 5 minute candle is forming, and we are hoping we could get a really good sell off from this particular point because there are really good levels for selling at this point. Let's just first take entry, and I will explain you one by one why I have chose to sell at this particular point. Well, traders, we have already placed an order and it just got triggered, and we are in the market, and market is just forming a bit wick from bottom, indicating a buying signal. But it's okay. Our reasons are pretty much logical for why we have shorted at this particular movement, and let me explain one by one. So reason number one why we have shorted is because at its high there is a really good resistance level from which it was taking previously a really good support. So now it has become a resistance level as it yesterday was broken and it has just retested. So there is high chance it's going to fall from there. Second reason is there is really good pivot level resistance of monthly level which is just above the daily high, high of this red candle, and it's about taken resistance and it's going down. So this was the reason. Third reason, you could see the candle. It is nearly an engulfing candle. So, based on the candlestick, we have shorted at this point. And the fourth reason why we have shorted was because if you are using a CPR indicator, then it was at its value area low and it got rejected. So the shorting opportunity was really good, and we usually do short at around that level. So these were the logical reason why we shorted, and as you could see, a really good fall is taking place. Well, traders, if you are watching till now, don't forget to smash that like button because it really helps to motivate me and also helps the YouTube algorithm to promote this video to many people. Well, traders, as you could see, the red line which I have drawn in this case is the previous time support, and it is high probability that market would take a good support at that level. The second thing was the target was placed at absolutely wrong level because the target was placed beyond a round figure level. It was 900 and the market wicked till 900 level, and I placed the target at 885. So this was a really bad situation which I got stuck in, and I was a bit scared because on a sideways days as such as today, uh, the market usually tends to fly, or momentum is really high from one place to another. So I started trailing my stop loss at this point for the point of time, and I trailed my target up a bit. So now my target was at 906 level, which hopefully the market get achieved again in this candle. As you could see, it's forming, and I got out of the trade with a good of 81 points profit, luckily. But it was a really big and a really stupid mistake from my side, because I should have already seen the 900 level, and there are really good chances that around figure levels, or the numbers which have five, the levels, that levels are the really levels which could tend to turn, or at least market start halting at that point. So that unfortunately, luckily I trailed it upside and the market hit it again. So that's it for today, traders. Well, if you have such made a mistake like this, do comment down below and let me know. And as usual, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and do not forget to press that notification bell so you will be notified when we come online. And once again, thank you for watching and hope you're having a good day. Hey, want to know how I made a loss on my luckiest trade? Click the first video above. And if you're interested in trading, do you want to know how much I made earning from 1 month of paper trading on capital of 1,75,000? Click the second video bit down.